Alrighty, so today is literally just a top-up shop. I did my main shop last week, so we only needed a couple of things today. So I'm just going to get straight into it. We've got 4 3-litre milks, vanilla Coke, orange soft drink, bananas, more replacement teats for my son's bottles. Hot dogs, we're going to have hot dogs tonight. So I've got these for hot dogs tonight, and then the hot dog buns. And these craft singles, even though I know they're not good for you, but they taste so good. So I've got some of those, some frozen blueberries. We're doing nachos tomorrow night, so I got those for that tomorrow night with the nachos. Pepperonis to go on the hot dogs tonight. And then we've got leg ham just to snack on or put onto sandwiches. These I thought were cool. So these are the Christmas ones, Christmas edition of the Chia Barney flips. So got 2 of those, one for me, one for my husband. Just thought we'd try that. And that is it. I will go through my meal plan as well for this. Yes, so with the meal plan, we're having hot dogs tonight, which is here. We're having nachos tomorrow night. Monday night, we're having salmon pastries with vegetables and potato gratin. On Tuesday night, we are having chicken Kiev with veg and mash. On Wednesday night, we are having creamy chicken pasta bake. On Thursday night, we are having a 1-pot spaghetti bolognese. Friday night is our takeaway night, and then Saturday will be leftovers because Saturday's Christmas Day. So there will be plenty of leftovers from Christmas lunch to tide us over for dinner time on Saturday night. So that is everything for this week and my little meal plan. I hope you enjoyed. This week I only spent $52.75, and that is purely because we did such a big shop last week. We didn't need a whole lot of stuff for this week. So I will link my last grocery haul if you want to check out my big shop from last week. I'll link that in the description box below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.